What does it mean to you to do this work? How has this case shaped your outlook on the law?
You know, for me, I always want to do right by anyone who I have a chance to impact or touch. And I mean, I don't want to sound cliche, like but none of us know what tomorrow holds for us. And if it were someone connected to me and I was not in a position to finance a situation, I would hope that the good in them would propel action. And for me, that's really all it boiled down to. He said something to me. I believed him. I looked at the evidence and I said, what would Jesus do? I get religious there. What would Jesus do? And I'm happy that I did it, because had it not been, you need someone to speak for you. Had I not said anything, had I discounted him, had I taken an approach that I've seen, with all due respect, some other counsel do, which is, I'm not assigned to that, I'm not paid for that, I'm just focusing on what was given to me. Had I done that, he would not have at least had the benefit of clearing his name. And this what I'm about to say may I don't know if it will shock you, but every player connected to this matter, I maintain and still have respect for. I appreciate different viewpoints. I appreciate changing times. I can only do what I think I've been birthed to do, and that is champion for anyone who needs my assistance. And if I can do that, in some instances as this, I will do it. It's important to care about human beings. It's important to care. Um, there's a saying we say often, today for me, tomorrow for you.